everyone, my name is Zaki Sabajindra. You can call me Zaki. Today I would like to retell two interesting story for you. Let's start with the first one, entitled A Famous Money Story. This story is about the famous money story of Saint Bernard and their remarkable rescue dogs. The main character are the monks who live there and a young enthusiastic rescue dog named Bilbao. The story takes place in the Saint Bernard Pass, which is a high and incredibly dangerous mountain pass in the Alps. At the beginning of the story, the narrator explains that the monastery is located at 8,114 feet above sea level and is covered in the snow for most of the year. Because of this, the monks keep special dogs to track down travelers who get lost in the winter storms. One day, the monks decided to adopt a young dog named Bilbao to join their elite rescue team. Then Bilbao began his intensive training to rescue people. After that, a severe winter storm hit the mountain pass, and Bilbao was sent out with the older dogs to look for missing skiers. Suddenly, the weather became so terrible and the visibility so poor that Bilbao got separated from the group. The problem started when the rescue dog himself became completely lost in the deep snow, and the monks had to form a search party not for a traveler but for their own dog. Fortunately, after hours of searching, the monks finally found Bilbao. They discovered him tucked away safely in a small snow cave he had dug for himself, looking cute, warm, and relaxed. The story ends with Bilbao being carried back to the monastery like a hero, even though he was actually the one who needed saving. From this story, we can learn that even the most well-trained expert can sometimes experience unexpected difficulties and need help from others. The moral value is the importance of dedication, teamwork, and always looking out for one another, especially in dangerous environments. Now, after listening to the inspiring story about teamwork and rescue dogs in the freezing snowy mountains, let's move on to our second story. From a dangerous environment, we are now going to a completely different and cozy setting. However, this next story is just as interesting because it will teach you about the importance of keeping an open mind. The second story is entitled One Man's Meat is Another Man's Poison. This story is about people's different tastes in food and how a strange dish caused a big misunderstanding. The main character and the narrator is his good friend Robert. The story takes place in a crazy restaurant in London. At the beginning of the story, the narrator explains that people from different countries love different kind of food, and what is delicious to one person might be disgusting to another. One day, the narrator invited his friend Robert to a restaurant to try a specialist meal, promising him a unique and delicious delicacy. Then the meal was served, and Robert thoroughly enjoyed it, eating every single bite with great pleasure. After that, Robert asked what the delicious meat was, as he had never tasted anything like it before. Suddenly, when the narrator casually revealed that they had just eaten snails, Robert's face completely changed. The problem started when Robert became deeply shocked and horrified by the realization, as eating snails was considered unacceptable in his culture. In the end, Robert felt so sick that he had to rush out of the room immediately. Finally, the place at last turned into a distillery just because of the name of the food. The story ends with a humorous reminder that our appetite is often controlled by our mind rather than our stomachs. From this story, we can learn that we should keep an open mind about different cultures and habits, especially when it comes to food. The moral value is that we must respect individual difference because what is highly prized by one person might be completely rejected by another. That's all from my presentation today. Thank you very much for your attention.